Today I would like to show off some new software, and this is a screenshot for my new software. It's basically a map editor I've been developing for one of the games that I'm making. And as you can see, the sprites have depth, based on their position on the screen. Basically, just like all those classic games that you enjoy playing on Super Nintendo and different platforming systems. So here's the actual map editor itself. We're going to open up a new game directory. It's basically a test directory that I came up with. And now we're going to open up a new map. And this is the overworld tile set that's displayed on any of the maps. So we'll just select one. And as you can see, I have some sprites already on the screen. And if I press the arrow keys, I can move the map around. So I'm going to show off a couple features that this editor can do. First off, I can zoom in to look in more detail, and I can zoom out. And here we're going to actually open up the tile cache and the sprite cache and map properties window. And we'll go over each of those. Currently we're in tile mode right now. That's this square that basically hops around with the mouse. So in tile mode, we will select some tiles to place. And let's make sure, yep, regular and property. We'll get into properties later. So we're going to put together a little island, or sort of a hill in the water. Just got to find all the different tile pieces. Now we're going to choose water, and then we'll have grass on the inside of the hill. Yep, there we go. Now we'll fix that. And we'll move these sprites around too. So there you go, basic little hillside in the water with a simple waterfall. Now we just gotta locate the water tile. Here we go. And also in tile stamp mode, we can select different sizes, make it bigger so we can cover more area. So now we'll go to properties, select a tile, and now we're in tile properties. And let's see, put an animation in. Update that animation. Now as you can see, that tile is moving. Zoom in on that. Oh, well, you can see a little better right there. And so now we'll go to sprite mode. And basically in this mode, we'll come over here to this image cache for sprites and start placing some new sprites. first we got to select our place tool, and then we can place them on the map. And then also, now we're in move mode, so we can move these sprites around. Like put him right here, put this heart up here, and move this other heart and the tree around. Alright, now this little guy moving up here, he's actually the character in the game, so I can move him around with the designated keys that I have set. And this is actually a character from a famous game called Dink Smallwood. And it's so it's a pretty cool game if you want to check it out. So now we'll go into some other attributes in the sprite mode. See, we can delete sprites right off the map. And we got sprite properties, just like tile properties, but there's a lot more stuff. You can have static or dynamic sprites, and update animations, and various stuff. So now we'll go into this map properties, and you see different attributes about the map, how the tiles are set up. And then over here we got vision and music. And vision, basically, if I set it to 1, then I come over here, everything disappears because it has a vision of 0. That way you can add in interesting scenes into the game. Just looking at everything else I have here. And I think basically it's about it for this editor. So, hope you enjoyed this preview of my new map editor, and thanks for watching.